Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to control your iPhone with your Apple Watch. So let's do it. So here is my iPhone and here is my Apple Watch, and to control the phone with your watch, first you need to go to your watch, to all apps, and here go down and go to settings. Here there are. And now go down again, and we have here accessibility. Just press on this, go down again, and here we have control nearby devices. Just press here, and now it's searching, and here is my iPhone. Just select it, and now as you can see my screen it's turned on. And now from here we have some controls. This is the app switcher, and this is the notification center. We have also the shortcuts. Here there are, and Siri. Hey Siri, how are you doing? Okay. And if you will press more and go down, we have here some multimedia controls. We have play, pause, previous track, next track, volume up and down. Now let's taste it. So you can change the track and go to the previous track, and also you can press volume up and volume down. It is very easy. And if you go down from here, you can customize some hand gestures, and I will show you my gestures. We have here for pinch volume up, double pinch volume down, and for clench play, pause, and just press down. And now let's taste it. Pinch, volume up, once again, volume up, double pinch, volume down, once again, volume down, and clench. The music was started and stopped. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.